Hi guys, ito naman ang inyong likod, Sales Executive Alexis Public of Innova Homes Realty Corporation at Innova Homes North Incorporated. Nais ko ipakita sa inyo ang ating residential Regina subdivision. It is located at Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Matatagpuan ito through NLEX Marilao exit. Pwede naman through MacArthur Highway. Kapag galing kayo sa Manila tapos nakita nyo na yung Marilao crossing, kakanan kayo guys tapos babaybayin nyo yung M. Villarica Road or tinatawag na Marilao, Muzon, San Jose Road. Then landmark natin is Pure Gold Loma de Gato. Nais ko ipakita sa inyo ang ating reopen townhouse units dito sa ating residential subdivision. Mula sa main gate or main entrance ng ating residential Regina subdivision, binabaybay natin ang kalsada nito, straight ahead, tapos pangalawang kanto kakanan tayo. Indicated naman dyan yung street signage natin. Bali tawagin na natin yung residential Regina Phase 1 or residential Regina subdivision is RR para mas madali na lang natin tukuyin yung subdivision. As you can see guys, yung RR Phase 1 natin is community na. Bali nagsimula siyang i-construct 2013 or 14. Out of 369 townhouse units, naubos agad siya in 1 year. Napakabilis guys na maubos. Ika nga, it's just like hot cake kung ibenta. That's because ang ina-offer natin subdivision ay mid-end. In between siya ng low cost and high-end. Since na-launch ito ng 2030 ng mga townhouses natin ay very affordable and still the best choice in Marilao. So ono townhouse units either cash or through Pag-ibig financing. Mabilis kasi ang turnover kapag Pag-ibig financing. Don't worry guys kasi one of the requirements dito ay employed kayo, either local employed or as OFW. Syempre at the same time approve sa inyo yung price computation. This is developers assisted, pre-approval process of your Pag-ibig requirements, pre-installation of water supply and electricity, no move-in fee or hidden charges, free conversion or transfer of title. At hinahanap-hanap ng ating mga kababayang Pilipino, it is because of the best quality of construction materials and construction methods. Isama nyo na rin dyan guys yung residential Regina subdivision natin ay flood-free, highly accessible going to Manila or northbound. Tapos guys, near to all establishments pa. Isang tabling nyo nga lang guys, paglabas nyo yung subdivision, hindi dyan yung Pure Gold Junior. Pero kagandahan ito, pwede ka mag-business sa iyong townhouse unit. Bawal nga lang talaga yung flammable or pet store or pet shop. Pero pwede naman mag-alaga ng any kind of animals, depende sa trip nyo guys. Sa pet store or pet shop kasi iniiwasan natin guys yung ingat tsaka yung amoy. Then nakikita nyo naman yung extension ng townhouse units natin. There is modification or improvements after turnover sa inyo ng unit. Yung ibang unit owners na nakalipat na naka second floor, naka third floor, any changes or alteration na preferred niyo guys, just like the colors and design may do. Basta hindi OP or out of place yung kulay. So consider naman ng ating developer na Innova Homes Realty Corporation about the policy and the uniformity of the townhouses subdivision. In additional guys, safe and secured kayo even you're out of town. Ang policy sa developer natin kapag newly open yung subdivision natin, on every phases hindi lang naman sa residential Regina subdivision natin, kundi iba pa ang exclusive projects under our developer ay CCTVs along main entrance, 3 to 5 SG or security guard personnel, standard rooming 24/7, sticker policy and no ID no entry. So ito na yung pangatlong available na blocks are open sa ating residential Regina subdivision. At ito naman na pang-apat na block na open available sa ating residential Regina. At dito naman sa ating Belladonna Street ay pangalawa naman natin block na may open available na townhouse units. At dito naman sa may first block naman na may reopen townhouse units. So ayan guys, nakita ninyo lahat ang ating available townhouse units or open townhouse units in our residential Hina subdivision. Ang mga available townhouse units natin ay puro RFO or ready for occupancy na actual turnover is semi-complete package. Limited lamang guys ang ating mga townhouse unit offer conforme sa mga nag-a-avail everyday sa atin dito sa ating residential Hina subdivision. So ngayon na guys, sa umpisa nating video na pumasok tayo doon sa may main entrance or gate ng ating residential Hina phase 1 patungo dito sa ating reopen townhouse units. Here guys, I wanted to show you na mas malapit ang kabilang side naman ng ating residential Hina phase 2 main entrance or main gate. Mula dito sa ating likuran na available limited offer na townhouse units. Guys, para may initial idea kayo sa sukat ng ating binibentang townhouse units, ang lot area ng ating standard inner townhouse units is 46 square meter. This is 2-story townhouse unit. Ang sukat ng floor area sa first floor is 22 square meter and the second floor is 22 square meter for the total of 44 square meter. Then sa likod nito ay merong sukat na 1.3 square meter na laundry or service area. At sa harapan naman nito ay merong 20 square meter or 4x5 na sukat for carport, garage or parking lot. Iba rin guys yung presyo or price computation and the lot areas of corner townhouse units. Also the end with firewall na townhouse units natin. Nabanggit ko nga sa RFO, ready for occupancy townhouse units natin na offered ay semi-complete package. Pero pa pwede nyo i-upgrade into complete package kapag nag-avail kayo ng RFO townhouse units natin. Yan guys ang distance ng ating main gate or main entrance sa ating RR Phase 2. Kabilang side ng ating barangay road patungo doon sa may highway. At nakikita nyo sa inyong harapan ay ating RR2A na sold out every phases guys ay meron tayong amenities and feature areas na social hall and basketball court. Sa totoo lang guys, napakalaki na ating residential Hina subdivision at napakalaki na rin naman ng community nito. Napakaluwag ng kalsada natin guys at meron tayong good drainage system for waste management. This is a lifetime ownership, a very good investment for you and your family. Bali guys, pabalik tayo doon sa ating main entrance or gate ng ating RR Phase 1. Lastly, para mapakita sa inyo yung conventional road palabas ng residential Hina patungo doon sa M. Villarica Road or sa highway. So this is our online tripping or virtual tripping para mapakita sa inyo yung ibang details ng ating residential Hina subdivision, the availability of townhouse unit offered by our developer, Innova Homes Realty Corporation. For those interested guys na makita tong location na to or subdivision na offer natin, for reservation guys, house tour or free tripping, kindly contact me, caption below. Watch out for more guys. Thank you. See you.